So what I'm doing here now is I just took the distributor out because I had the other day a leak in the back of the intake manifold, and I went and put some of this black RTV silicone instant gasket back in here. And Cutworm made a comment. He said, why don't you just pull the distributor out and reach over in there and do the inside of that? And I thought, wait, I didn't even think about that. But yeah, if I take the distributor out, I can get my finger down in this hole with some RTV on the end of it, and we can smear it around in the inside of here, and hopefully not have to take off the whole intake manifold. So that's what I'm doing now. Which I know is, you know, I didn't need to tell y'all all that Summit stuff. I got a feeling Summit's an awesome place. They got an awful lot of good stuff, but I just need to get that out of my system. So now that I've said that, I've taken this distributor out. I've also bought one of these little hunky-do things here, which is a crankcase ventilation thing. And with the distributor out of the way, it's going to make it a lot easier to hook up the PCV valve that runs up to here and run that all around my carburetor. A lot of y'all have made a great many comments about that I have my vacuum advance on this side instead of on this side. And on this intake manifold, I have this great big lump right here, which is kind of where your vacuum advance would be. Keep in mind, this intake manifold was made for an old style distributor, and it may have been different. But anyway, someone's actually ground off a piece of this one to get this new style HEI thing on here. I didn't do that, but somebody did. So that's just stuff I'm mentioning. So this video might not ever even see the light of day because I feel like I've been mean-spirited, grumbling about what I've been grumbling about. But anyway, I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to turn the camera off. I'm going to do this thing, put it back on here, and then we're going to let it sit for a while I go camping or something. Or not. I don't know. I don't know what we're going to do next. But anyway, that's where we're at, and that's where I'm going to stop talking. I love y'all, even if I am grouchy today.